Hello and welcome back to another episode of Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. It is now August, and whilst still in winter, spring is beginning to give us an indication that it's on the way. It's been about a month since our last update, where we saw that the 3 roots were growing longer. I thought it was a good time to give another update and see how it's doing. So a month after our last update, the roots have continued to grow. Not only have they grown longer, but they have also grown in number. We still have our 3 main roots, as we saw previously, but there are also some more smaller roots that are starting to grow. There's still no sign of a shoot yet, but I have hope, as other seeds around it are growing little shoots out of their cracks. I'm also getting other seeds that are growing roots, which is very exciting. I'm enjoying seeing so much life on my window ledge. As always, I am ensuring that the seed never dries up, and will continue to wait patiently for the shoot to pop its way through the crack. I'm finding generally that gardening, including growing this avocado seed, is continuing to develop in me patience, and that is a marvellous thing. And seeing these roots continue to grow fills me with hope for the future of what this seed will become. Thank you very much for tuning into another episode. Please do make sure you're subscribed so as to not miss any future episodes. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.